Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unlock OPPO Find X9 Pro without password. Okay, but in the beginning I would tell you that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. Second thing is we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, so we have to erase all of our data. And the third thing is that after the reset, the phone will want you to verify yourself, or by typing the screen lock. Of course, we won't be able to do it because we cannot remember it. But we have the second option. We will have to sign in into the Google account into which we are logged in before the reset as a confirmation. If you don't remember your Google account also, there's a chance that you will have to perform a bypass of your Google account verification. Okay, now you can see that my device is locked. I can't remember the password. So what to do now? We need to power off our device. Click power button and volume up button and select power off. Okay, now we need to launch the recovery mode, and we do it by holding the power button and volume down button at the same time. So keep holding both buttons until the recovery mode launches. Alright, the OPPO logo appeared, so keep holding. Okay, now we need to select the language. To move around this menu, we can use the volume keys, but the touchscreen also works, so we can use our fingers. Now select format data. Type this code using your keyboard and select format. Okay, the process has started. Now it has ended. Click on OK. Now the phone will turn on. And the next thing that we need to do is to go through the setup process, and then we need to verify ourselves by logging in into Google account. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.